Hello, first grade. We are back for a fourth day. So, session 4 is the Path Game Part 2. Hopefully, you got a chance to play yesterday, but if you didn't, you can go back and play it again. Play it today. For Part 2, today's game path will start at 61 and go up to 120. So, that means you might need to add a section. Hopefully you kept it from yesterday and add a new section. Go from 60 all the way up to 120. You are going to race your partner to 120. So you're going to number the squares from 61 to 120, cut the strips apart, glue them together. But again, like I said yesterday, if you can't print these pages out, you can just take strips of paper and mark the numbers. Make sure you're spreading them out enough so that you can use a penny or a cube. Your marker should start before 61. So we are starting at 61 today. We're not starting all the way back at number 1. We are just going to go from the number 61 all the way to 120. So what number are you starting from if you're starting before the 61? Think about what numbers here. That would be 60. Good. So hopefully you kept your spinner and things from yesterday. If I'm on the 65 and I spin the fence, I get to move 10 spots. Let's think about that. We're going to add 10 to 65. We could count them by ones, but it would be really good if you could count and think about what this would look like on a number line or on a number grid. 65 plus 10 would take you to 75. And I think we have another example. If I'm on the 77 and I spin the trash can, I get to move 2 spots. Remember, this is pretty easy. All we would have to do is count on 77 plus 2 would be 79. And I think one more example. Now we're up over 100. If I'm on the 107 and I spin the bench and I get to move 5 spots, where would I land? So this might be tricky just to go those 5 spots. But I want you to look here. Remember, we have 7 ones. We have 5 ones. If we can add that together, we get 12. And then we would add that to 100, 112. Good. Remember, some of those getting to teens numbers are a little bit harder to get to. Hey, friends, hopefully you've had fun playing the Path Game the past 2 days. It's good practice for you to keep and practice some more even after you've practiced today. Maybe pull it out again next week. Session 5 is our Unit 7 assessment. So we're going to take a look at that, and that will probably be on Schoology for you to take. Remember, if you are trying to access a unit, an assessment, or any kind of comprehension check that we need you to hand in, you must be logged in under your student account. You won't have access to those things if you're on Mom and Dad's account. Hey, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.